If you've been watching for a great lakefront home on the quiet waters of the Niangua, one that's turnkey and ready for you to start enjoying right now, then I've got a fantastic listing to share with you today. I'm Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. Let's take a peek inside this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is just down the road from Old Kinderhook, where you'll enjoy world-class golf. And it's just around the corner from Pebble Bay Club, where you can enjoy lakeside dining, maybe a little pickleball. This beautiful lakefront home offers so much outdoor entertaining space, a great dock, quiet waters. If you like what you've seen here today, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 or jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks so much for watching.